Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a brief update and then instructions for today's lessons. I know I put this in the email, but I just wanted to mention your civic action projects are now on hold indefinitely. There's just too much going on with what our local government is dealing with, as well as our school district, that unless we get back to more normal, that just isn't going to be an option. So, as far as grades are concerned, I'm keeping all grades that are in, okay? As far as the data analysis, which was supposed to be due Friday, if you have it done, submit it and I will give you bonus points. But if you did not do it, I don't see that there is a purpose to actually finishing it. You'd be doing work for something that won't really be done. So again, if you have it, I encourage you to submit it. I'll give some bonus points towards your grade. It won't hurt you if you didn't do it. Okay. Likewise, if you have missing assignments, please, 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 please make them up. Um, we are entering a situation where your grades up until this point will certainly stand for what they have. That isn't going to disappear. So I'm accepting light work, and if you get it into me, I'll be happy to update PowerSchool. As far as everything I have now is concerned, everything I've got is up online. So check PowerSchool. If you're missing something, make it up. If you needed a digital copy of an item, please email me. I'll get it to you. Okay. Um, Otherwise, I think most things are on assignments on Teams. Just submit it and then do me a favor and shoot me an email to let me know that you've actually handed it in because I can't see it otherwise. It doesn't notify me that you've submitted an assignment. For today's activity, we are actually going to be starting on the topic of eminent domain. There will be a PowerPoint that if you click on that and you put it into a slideshow and hit play, it'll go through and I'll be on the screen too explaining some notes. There's an assignment with that on forms that you'll see the link posted in conversations. I do ask that you complete that by Wednesday, our next class time. It's not going to be graded on how correct you put it, but I am going to put it as an effort grade. Then I also have a couple of videos. Today is really video based. I ask that you take notes eventually, and that'll probably be next week's assignments. You'll be writing an essay on eminent domain and whether or not the government was justified in taking Suzette Kilo's property in 2005 in the Kilo versus New London case. So you will be able to argue either way. And as you watch the video, I want you to take notes. That way you can use evidence to support your eventual essay. So today's activity, other than the forms assignment, will not be graded. But if you don't take notes on it and spend this time watching the two videos that I've posted for you, you're going to be behind, and I'll notice it when I'm grading your eventual essays. On Wednesday, we're going to be doing a document-based activity that kind of covers this, but I wanted you to have these videos and take these notes first so that you get a clear understanding of what the Kilo case was. Okay, if you have any questions, please post them on conversations. If you have them, chances are everybody else does too. I'll be looking and updating and trying to answer questions as much as I can during the day. So please use that as a means to help each other. So again, your assignments for today, you are going to watch the notes on eminent domain, okay? You are going to do a forms activity, which will be asking you the difference between public use and public purpose, which the notes you should definitely do first because that will give you information to answer those questions. That will be graded on participation and are due by Wednesday, okay? And then the third part of it would be to watch the two YouTube videos that I've posted. One is called Unintended Consequences, and the other is a Duke Law video that covers the court case itself, and take notes. You will not be submitting your notes, but you will need them eventually for an essay that you will be writing. I hope you guys are all well. I miss you, and hopefully I'll be seeing you soon. All right, bye.